Good morning, children. Are you ready to listen? Okay. What did you study in the previous class? In the previous class, we have learned about food and its 5 components and balanced diet. Next topic, diseases. A disease is a state in which a function or a part of the body is no longer in a healthy condition. That means if any part of our body is not functioning properly due to lack of particular nutrient, that is called diseases. Okay. Do you know why diseases occur in our body? First reason, if we didn't take proper diet. Another reason, lack of exercise, and some other reason, lack of rest. Okay. Next, the types of diseases. Diseases can be classified into 2 types. First one, communicable diseases, and then non-communicable diseases. First one, non-communicable diseases. If any disease do not spread from one person to another, that is called non-communicable diseases. Okay. Some non-communicable diseases are caused due to lack of a particular food component, that is called deficiency diseases. Okay. Next, we will see some deficiency diseases which nutrient is lacked for that disease and also which food is contained for that particular vitamin. Okay. First one, night blindness. Okay. Night blindness is caused by the lack of vitamin A. The food that contains vitamin A are green leafy vegetables, papaya, mango, milk, butter and egg yolk. Okay. Next one, beriberi. Beriberi is caused by the lack of vitamin B1. The food that contains vitamin B1 are milk, peas, cereals and green vegetables. Scurvy. Scurvy is caused by the lack of vitamin C. The food that contains vitamin C are amla, orange, lemon and tomato. Next one, rickets. Rickets is caused by the lack of vitamin D. The food that contains vitamin D are milk and its products. Okay. Next one, goiter. Goiter is caused by the lack of iodine. The food that contains iodine are iodized salt and seafood. Next one, anemia. Anemia is caused by the lack of iron. The food that contains iron are spinach, apple, brinjal and meat. Okay, next, look at the first picture. The boy can't stop sneezing. Why? Because it is allergy. If our body is sensitive to certain substances, allergy will occur. The certain substances are such as dust, food and drugs. Next, look at the second picture. If any person affected by anemia means they get tired easily and looks pale. Okay, anemia is caused by the deficiency of iron. Next, look at the third picture. It is obesity. Obesity means fat body. Okay. If you intake excessive amount of fatty foods, it will occur. Diabetes means high level of sugar in blood. Diabetes and cancer also another non-communicable diseases. Next, communicable diseases. This disease can be easily spread from one person to another. Okay. How can the disease spread? Yes, very good. By germs. What is germs? Germs means disease causing microbes. Say some disease causing microbes. Bacteria, fungi, virus and protozoa. Okay, next we will see how the germs will spread in different ways. Okay, first one, through direct contact with an infected person. Second one, through dirty food and water. Third one, through insects. Okay, now we have to study briefly about the first topic, through direct contact with an infected person. If any person is affected by cough, the germs will be released into the air, isn't it? And it can affect a healthy person also. Sometimes, if we share the infected person's belongings such as clothes and utensils, the germs will be spread to us. Okay, do you have any idea about such diseases spread by infected person? Common cold, measles, tuberculosis, or some diseases spread through direct contact. Next is second topic, through dirty food and water. Flies carry germs on their bodies and pass on to the uncovered food and water when they sit on them. If the food and water containing these germs can cause such diseases like typhoid and cholera. Okay. Third topic, through insects. If any mosquito bites an infected person with malaria and it sucks in germs along with the blood. When the same mosquito bites a healthy person, that person also infected with malaria. Okay. Next, we will see some communicable diseases and their symptoms and how to prevent that disease. Okay. First one, common cold. What are the symptoms of common cold? Cough, running nose and fever. How to prevent this? Washing hands regularly and keeping away from the infected person. Okay, next one, pneumonia. What are the symptoms of pneumonia? Cough, fever and difficulty in breathing. Okay, how to prevent this pneumonia? Treatment with antibiotics. Okay, third one, tuberculosis. What are the symptoms of this tuberculosis? Fever, loss of appetite, weakness and chest pain and also weight loss. Okay, how to prevent this tuberculosis? Treatment with antibiotics. What is antibiotics? The substances that can kill disease causing organisms are called antibiotics. Okay. Now let us see how to prevent communicable diseases. The first important thing is hygiene. What is hygiene? Hygiene is a practice that ensures cleanliness and good health. Now let us see what are the steps to be followed to maintain good health. Okay. First one, we should not eat uncovered food from roadside vendors. We should not drink unclean water. We should wash our hands regularly, brush our teeth. How many times? Twice a day and bath daily. Okay, next, mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. Stagnant means not moving. So, we should not allow stagnant water around our houses for a long time. Okay. Fifth one, we should not allow garbage to collect in dumps. Okay. Next one, we should stay away from infected people as much as possible. Okay. Some communicable diseases can be prevented by vaccination. The special substances which are used to prevent specific diseases are called vaccines. This process is called vaccination. Okay. What is the use of vaccines? It helps to build up resistance in the body. Okay. Resistance means immunity. Many diseases are cured by vaccines. Okay. Thank you, children.